sa'yo. Pero ako, excited ako dyan eh. Pero may destiny muna tayo.
Oh, Sid, what
Yes,
is your destiny?
What is my destiny?
Yeah. Tell us something about your character. Na-excite naman ako. Tsaka payat ka ngayon, ha?
Oh, yes! Thank you, Ultimate Fitness!
Nakita mo, tanga pa lang nas kape, energetic na siya, no? Oh, nakita mo yan.
Amoy pa lang.
Sid, tell us something about your role.
Okay,
Mabait ba?
sobrang hate ko itong question na to. My role, basically, okay, my role goes through a certain traumatic experience here in the Philippines, which
Alright.
kind of brings his family, gives his family a reason to go back to the States to help parang treat everything that it's damaged. His
Okay.
family, kumbaga, his mom, his sister, and all that. And there, dun yung makikilala yung character ni Carla, which when they fall in love, they decide to come back here into to the Philippines. Kung saan magsisimula yung storya, doon naman lalabas lahat ng mga, ito pala magkakilala, ikaw ba, ganito, and then sa away-away.
Ang ganda ng cinematography, ha? Pinapakita natin ngayon while you explain your teleserye. Si Gabriel ba? Is this your first teleserye with the network?
Yes po, actually, my
Wow.
very first.
Wow! How does it feel?
Super overwhelmed po, especially yung mga katrabaho ko dito, super veteran actors. And I just feel so honored po and thankful na nabigyan ako ng ganitong
Saan ka
role.
talaga nagsimula?
Actually, by joining contests lang. And then, there's this talent scout po. Hi, Ate Cristel. Thank you. Na nakakita sa akin. And then, ayun, pinatry ako sa Artist Center.
Nasa
this-
Artist Center ka nga,
Opo,
under
opo,
Artist Center.
So this is your very first
Yes.
project sa GMA.
Okay.
How is it working with everyone, with the production?
Wow,
Uh,
super...
Any preparations that you did?
Yeah, actually, I
Meron
did
ba?
acting workshops muna with Artist Center. And then, super thankful ako na nakatrabaho ko sila kasi sobra silang madaming naitulong sa akin in terms of acting.
I would just want to ask Kuya
Yung
Jers.
katabi mong lalaking yan hindi ba hindi ba nanliligaw sa mga beautiful ladies?
Ay, hindi. Good boy yan si Kuya Sid.
Good boy, ha?
Alam nyo, walang tulugan ng title natin. Hindi na matutulog ang televiewers dahil 2 araw na lang. Pilot nyo na, so remind them again.
Yes, 2 araw na lang po. Please, subaybayan niyo po ang pinakabagong kwento na inahahandogs natin ng GMA Telebabad. Isang kwento po na magpapaalala sa akin ng kung ano na ang kawangis na
Lalo.
Minemorize namin to.
Si
Okay,
Mr.
sabay,
Lebs
sabay.
ba nagturo niyan sa inyo? Kawangis, ha?
Sandali. Kailangan ko sabihin to.
Okay, kailangan sabihin.
Isang kwento na magpapaalala sa atin na ang kawangis ng
Bawat pag-ibig.
Kaya mo yan,
kaya mo yan.
ay matinding pagsasakripisyo.
Ayun.
Yes! Thank you so much.
Teka muna. Ay, ikaw ba'y good boy rito? Komedyante ka ba? Dramatic actor ka ba o ano?
Dito,
Multi-talented yan.
dramatic. Ito lang, ako lang to.
Siya
And
na
this
yan.
is directed by...
By the one and only Binibining Joyce Bernal.
Wow.
Joyce.
Alam